just like I've shown you how to make a money transfer on your mobile app, on the Moniepoint mobile app, you can still make a transfer using the USSD code. And the USSD code can be used when you don't have access to a smartphone. Maybe you are using a button phone with you, or you don't even have data on your phone, but you still need to carry out transaction. Moniepoint has even made it easy and even much more easier to still carry out transactions using their USSD code, which is star 5573. So I'll be showing you how to make a transfer using this code right now. So after you have dialed star 5573 hash, then you dial it with your registered phone number, and then here you have the option to select the bank you are sending to. So if are you sending to a Moniepoint account or you are sending it to other banks. So there are two things you should take note here is, if you are sending to a Moniepoint account, it means you won't be charged any fee as transaction fee. But if you are sending it to other bank, there used to be a 20 naira fee for any transfer you made. So I want to be sent to a other bank, and I select the option number 2. So also you need to note, you can't afford to take much time while using this code, because it will get cancelled along the line. So I will be fast about this right now. So star 5573 hash. Then the next is, I'm sending to other bank, and the next is where I impute the amount I'm about to send, and the next is where you impute the account details of the person you are sending money to. And here you have the option to select the bank you are sending to, and in this case it is a Union Bank account number. And now in the next option, you select from the account you want to send money from. You can have only one account here if you are using a personal account, but since this is a business account, that is why I'm having a list of accounts here. So here is the summary page, just like we have in the mobile app, that I am transferring this amount to this person, and this is the fee that will be charged, and this is the total amount that will be debited from my account. So the next thing is to impute your transaction PIN, and once it is done and PIN is correct, then you click on send, and instantly your money will be transferred successfully. So this is how to make a USSD transfer without the Moniepoint mobile application. So see you in the next video.